Hey, what's up? This is Garth Richards for MachineMinuteTips.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create a fade out in Maschine using a very simple method, and you're going to want to stay tuned.
So go ahead and create a new group. I'm going to name it Fade Out. Once you've done that, add a stock EQ to any pad within that group. Now go to your other groups that you want to fade out. You want to go to the connection tab and make sure in the group section within that connection tab, and then you want to set the audio output to fade out. And I'm going to go do the same on the second track. Now go back to your fade out connection tab, group section, and the level, the audio level for the EQ. I'm just going to hover over it, and you can see that it changes from blue, then it sort of grays out. That means I'm now in automation mode. So now I'm going to automate this track by clicking and just turning the knob down. Real quick and easy way to create a fade out in Maschine. You just create a new group, add an EQ within that group to any one of the pads, and then send the output of your other tracks or your other groups to that EQ, and then you just automate that EQ's volume knob, and it's as easy as that. So anyway guys, with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share with anybody you feel that will need to see this video to help them. And yeah, with that being said again guys, I'll catch you in the next video.